Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Seems like Bitcoin wants to attack the 70,170 level, our nearest resistance. Let's talk about that in this video. In the previous video, I also took a look at the daily time frame. In this video, however, I only want to talk about the smaller time frame, give you a quick intraday update, talk about the different potentials and what is my primary scenario. So the primary count is at the moment that on the 1st of May, a larger wave 4 bottomed, and that we are going higher towards, sort of 76K is the next milestone target, and then 85K. These are the next key levels to watch for me to the upside. I'd like the price to get there, and possibly further upside continuation is going to happen this week or so. In the short term, however, I cannot confirm that we are continuing with the move to the upside until we break at the very least, above 70,170. So I want to see the price get above that level. That would be an early breakout point. And that would need to be further confirmed with a break above 71,930, above this double top, which formed here most recently. So that means upside is preferred. In the very short term, we could get another low, however. I'm looking for one more low still as per this wave count. But as I said in previous videos, I'm not very convinced about this micro count because the wave 4 is getting quite large and it looks to me as if it might break it. Okay, that's just sort of a qualitative assessment. I can't be objective about it until we break above 70,170. However, maybe it's going to do it in this video. We'll see. If we already break higher, then I would need to think about, okay, is this really the B wave pullback that we talked about in previous videos? Or was the B wave here and this is some kind of another 1-2 setup or something? Would need to figure that out in that case. Or have the B wave here maybe. There are different ways of doing this. But either way, I don't like the micro count here of this C wave to the downside. Quick explanation. Why? Because the A equals C target. So if we say, all right, we have a third wave here. It is an ABC structure. I explained in previous videos why. This is an A wave top. The B wave is expected to land somewhere around 66,350 or at least 67,205. Because the A wave has a certain length and the C wave would typically get the same length or similar. If we turn around already now, then the downside looks incomplete, and I would need to look at it again. But that's why I don't like the micro count of the decline, because for just one more low, this is a little bit too long for a fifth wave. I hope that makes sense. Let me know in the comments if not. But the idea is that, based on the micro count, we could get one more low. But the fifth wave, it would just be a very extended one. So that tells me something might shift. Something might morph. In that case, maybe the B wave already bottomed, and I will definitely be open to the idea that we continue higher more directly because we're still holding above our support area. Okay, so if it gets there or not, we'll see, but I'm overall focused on higher prices. I hope I've made that clear in previous videos. I can only confirm the yellow count, which is the more bearish option, but even that is bullish. If we get a break below 62,540, then it should send us into the lower support region again, which would be another opportunity to accumulate. Only question is, how deep is the pullback going to be that the market is making available for us? Even if we break now above 70,170, which would be our signal that something more directly bullish is happening, I cannot confirm a low in place until I see the next 5 waves up. Okay, it would be an early indication. That's always why, there's a difference between, okay, there's an indication of a low because it's too large for a fourth wave, and difference between it's an indication of a low and a confirmation, which means 5 waves up, 3 waves down. So that's what I'm watching for now. Resistance, I told you about these parameters in the previous video. What are the relevant parameters this week? To the upside, 70,170. Then the previous double top, definitely going to be important. 71,000, 950, sort of in that area up there. And then we should get towards 76.5K. Just not too happy with the micro count here. There are definitely other options I'm observing, but I need a little bit more price data to confirm. At the moment, what is really important are the levels. So above the red resistance range, this is getting too large for a fourth wave. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.